Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, thanks for coming back. I am Alushpa Fatma Moment, and today you are watching an interesting video. So, let's get started. Before you start, if you are new at my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. If you enjoy this video, then like it and share this video with your friends, relatives, etc. So I forgot to tell you the name of my this video. So it's true or false challenge. So let's get started. Number one, true or false? Electrons are larger than molecules. So your time starts now. One, two, three, four, five. Your time is over. So it's false. Number two, true or false? The Atlantic Ocean is the biggest ocean on Earth. Your time starts now. One, two, three, four, five. Your time is over. It's false. The largest ocean and the biggest ocean on the Earth is Pacific Ocean. Number three, true or false? The chemical makeup food often changes when you cook it. Your time starts now. One, two, three, four, five. Your time is over. It's true. Number four, true or false? Sharks are mammals. Your time starts now. One, two, three, four, five. Your time is over. It's false. Fishes are the mammals. Number 5, true or false? The human body has 4 lungs. Your time starts now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is over. It's false. The human body has 2 lungs. Number 6, true or false? Atoms are the most stable when their outer shells are full. Your time starts now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is over. It's true. Atoms are the most stable when their outer shells are full. Number 7. True or false? Filtration separates mixtures based upon their particle size. Your time starts now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is over. It's true. Filtration separates mixtures based upon their particle size. Number 8. True or false? Venus is the closest planet to the Sun. Now, your time starts now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is over. It's false. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and do you know it's the hottest planet? Mercury is the hottest planet. Number 9. True or false? Conductors have low resistance. Your time starts now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is over. It's true. Number 10. True or false? Molecules can have atoms from more than one chemical element. Your time starts now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is over. It's true. Molecules can have atoms from more than one chemical element. Thanks for watching. Now drop a like and leave a comment. Keep calm and stay tuned for surprises. Something very special is coming your way. Are you ready for it? Type yes in the comment box if you are